Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a quick outfit of the week's video for January. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy it. It's just what I wore. It's mainly what I wore during the weekend. I don't think I've included anything that I wore to work, so yeah. Let's just get straight into the video.
The jumper is from TK Maxx. The furry coat is from Dorothy Perkins. The black skirt is from F&F, and the Ugg boots, well, the fake Ugg boots are from Asda. This outfit I just wore after I came in from work. We nipped out. We just it was just something I quickly threw on, just something casual. So yeah, it's just a really simple casual outfit. The second outfit, the skirt, is on Topshop. It's one I recently thrifted. The boots are from TK Maxx. The blouse is a really old blouse. Believe it's on H&M. I've had it for years. And the jumper is from, the furry like Dalmatian fake fur coat is from Topshop. And this is just a very simple outfit to recreate. I absolutely love this skirt. It's got some really nice western detail. I just think this skirt will be really good for wearing in both the winter and the summer. Oh, and the card is from TU. The denim jeans are from H&M, I believe. The coat is from Primark. The jumper is from H&M also. I don't know, I've had it a while. And the boots are the same fake Ugg boots as before. I wore this outfit. It snowed recently near where I live, so I just wore this when it's been really cold and it's been like a bit sleety and snowy. So yeah, this is just a really simple outfit. It's just nice and casual. I realised that I don't usually include a lot of jean outfits, and I thought since I'm wearing jeans, I will make sure I record it. So yeah, I just wore this on a really cold day. And I think I just went and got my nails done. It was really wet, and it might have not actually been snowy, it might have been wet and cold, but yeah, I just think this is a very simple outfit. This outfit, the skirt is just from Amazon. It's only about £10. The blouse is from Zara. The card is from Primark, I believe, and the boots are from River Island. So I just wore this. I met up with some friends. I've sort of cut off the boots, you can't really see them. The blouse and skirt are both thrifted. I included these in my recent thrift haul, and the under the knee boots are from New Look. I absolutely love this outfit. It's just a really simple outfit, but I just think the skirt's really unusual. It's a really easy one to recreate.
Hi guys, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Please feel free to comment, rate and subscribe.